multicollinearity and heteroscedasticity dapat cross-sectional. Okay. So, ang assumption nga violated dunay autocorrelation kay phi, di ba? Nga nag-ingon nga imuhang epsilon sub I and epsilon sub j should be uncorrelated, or the expected value of them is equals to 0. Mali na siya ng mga notation mo. Basta ang expected value ng variable, you are measuring or you are referring to the relationship. Pero isa ka variable lang, expected value, that's the average. Like, E of epsilon with average of error is 0. Or, E of error squared, that is variance of error squared. Because supposedly dapat var of E. Pero kung iba ang i-apply itong identity sa var, ma-simplify man ng var of E equals to E of x squared. Because the E of E is 0 man, mawala ang part sa E of E. So, muna siya nga, ang variance of error type, equivalent sa expected value of error squared. Okay? Autocorrelation, correlation of error term across space and time. So, ang multicollinearity is about regressors. Autocorrelation and heteroscedasticity is about error term. So, error term itong focus, meaning, kung nakay model, ito nyo i-generate ang error and ito ka mag-conduct ng tests. So, autocorrelated ba or not? Okay. Before we proceed to that testing, ano tayo discuss ang concept? Spatial autocorrelation, natay doon ka autocorrelation, natay serial, natay spatial. Pero ang focus na ito na topic is the serial. Spatial is another subject. So, natin siya i-explore. Cross-sectional data. This is a rare case. And then, mas complicated din siya na spatial or autocorrelation. Yan naman, kung tayo cross-sectional yung data, example ka na, municipalities ay yung mga unit of analysis, and then yung mga variables na expenditures, then expenditures on mga services, ano ba. Siguro mag-organize spill over, meaning na services sa Davao maka-enjoy ang kagalaing city. Right? Siyempre, moving by ang population. So, in that case, na siya spillover. So, dili kay ang imuhang services sa Davao is para lang sa mga Davao venues. So, possible ka na mo enjoy life. And that's an indication of spatial autocorrelation. Okay? Dahil lahat na yung unit of analysis na ay influence. Sa serial autocorrelation is time period siya. Ang before na effect sa present. Diba? Na, na-discuss na ba? Ha? Meron na parang natanong. Okay, nag-test na ito correlation sa atong assumption ng concept. Okay daw? Sige. 10:30 taha, sinapat tayo 10 plus 30, 40 minutes. Sige, at least abot ang tungkungani. Then after, paano nang dayon? Dawag na. Computer na lang output example. Then hetero. Start na ito ang heteronator. Dapat ay Friday ito. Last year. Ang problema mo sa Friday na IASO. Na IASO external topic to iba. Terms where different observations will be uncorrelated. So, meaning if not autocorrelation, then there is no randomness in your error term. The entire series data observations follows a natural ordering through time. Hence, there is always a possibility that successive errors will be correlated with each other. Okay. So, most of the economic variable na time series form autocorrelated na usually. Lagi na kay dependent on time siya, increasing. So, muna well, sa time series na yun yung makuha. Kung time series diba? Sa time series, most of the data are non-stationary, kinetic trends. Okay, kung ay non-stationary, basta ko po siya probability na naa siya problem of autocorrelation. Although, wala siya problema sa time series analysis because autocorrelations are well handled by the technique na time series. Pero dito sa itong regression, hindi na ito siya i-address. Kaya may mong unreliable ang regression result. In any one period, the current error term contains not only the effects of the current shock, but also the carryover from previous shocks. So here, ang shock na po ay error term. Diba mo man siya ang mga, diba ang error term is mo siya ang behavior sa Y na hindi ma-explain sa mga model or hindi ma-capture sa excess. So in economic models, usually this behavior of Y na hindi ma-model o hindi ma-capture sa model are those shocks. Na mga economic shock, ito yung na-cause of economic mga disasters, di ba? So, kung ay disaster, possible ma-disturb economic variables. And those mga disturbance are not, kumbaga, part of the model, na kay model. Mga ano na siya, usually ma-fall na siya